In this video, we're comparing MyFitnessPal and Yazio. Which app is best for calorie tracking and health goals? When it comes to health, fitness, and nutrition, technology has made it easier than ever to monitor our habits and make better choices. Two of the most popular apps in the calorie tracking and weight loss space are MyFitnessPal and Yazio. Both are well rated, packed with useful features, and trusted by millions of users worldwide. But which one should you choose for your personal health journey? In this video, we'll take a closer look, starting with MyFitnessPal. MyFitnessPal is one of the oldest and most widely used health tracking apps on the market. First launched in 2005, and it has grown into a comprehensive health and wellness platform with a massive following. On the iOS App Store, MyFitnessPal has an impressive 4.6 star rating based on over 199,000 reviews. This alone shows that how popular and trusted the app is among users who are serious about tracking their food and exercise habits. One of MyFitnessPal's biggest strengths is its huge food database. With millions of foods, both branded and generic, it's extremely easy to log anything you eat. Whether you're scanning a barcode at the grocery store or logging a homemade meal, MyFitnessPal gives you quick and accurate results. The barcode scanner is particularly useful, making it easy to track packaged foods with just a tap. You can also search by restaurant, which is great if you dine out often and want to keep your calorie counts accurate. Beyond calories, MyFitnessPal allows users to track their macronutrients, including carbs, fats, and protein. If you're following a specific eating plan like keto, high protein, or low carb, this feature is essential. The app also supports micronutrient tracking such as fiber, sugar, sodium, and cholesterol, especially in the premium version. Another major advantage of MyFitnessPal is its integration with other health and fitness platforms. You can sync it with popular devices and apps like Fitbit, Garmin, Apple Health, Samsung Health, and even smartwatches. This allows your steps, workouts, and other health data to automatically sync with your food tracking, giving a more complete picture of your health. MyFitnessPal also has a community aspect. You can add friends, join groups, participate in challenges, and share your progress. For people who thrive on accountability or like to connect with others on a similar journey, this can be highly motivating. This app even offers articles, tips, and recipes to help users stay informed and inspired. In terms of pricing, MyFitnessPal uses a freemium model. The basic version includes food and exercise tracking, but features like macronutrient goals by gram, food insights, recipe importing, and custom dashboards are locked behind a premium subscription. The cost can be monthly or yearly, and many users find the premium version worth it if they want more in-depth analysis and planning tools. Overall, MyFitnessPal is a robust, versatile, and proven app for anyone serious about health, fitness, and nutrition tracking. Its vast food database, barcode scanning, app syncing, and strong community make it a top choice, especially for those who want detailed insight and flexibility in their approach to wellness. Now let's turn our attention to Yazio, another highly rated app designed to help users reach their health goals through calorie tracking, meal planning, and intermittent fasting. Yazio is somewhat newer to the scene compared to MyFitnessPal, but it has quickly built a strong reputation. On the iOS App Store, Yazio also holds a 4.6 star rating based on over 86,000 reviews, which indicates solid user satisfaction. What sets Yazio apart from other nutrition apps is its focus on structured eating plans, particularly its support for intermittent fasting. While MyFitnessPal does not offer fasting specific features, Yazio includes more than 20 different fasting programs to choose from, including popular options like 16-8, 8-6, and even alternate day fasting. This makes it especially useful for those who want to pair fasting with calorie control as part of their weight loss or metabolic health strategy. Yazio also provides users with a personalized meal plan based on their goals, whether it's weight loss, muscle gain, or simply eating healthier. The app delivers weekly updated recipes complete with calorie and macronutrient information, so you never run out of ideas for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. The meals are designed to be healthy and easy to prepare, and the app even gives you a shopping list, which is a helpful bonus. The interface in Yazoo is so clean, modern, and user-friendly. From the first time you open the app, it guides you through setting up your profile, determining your goals, and choosing a meal or fasting plan. There's also a built-in weight tracker allowing you to visualize your progress over time, as well as daily check-ins and motivational messages to keep you on track. Like MyFitnessPal, Yazio uses a freemium model. The free version gives you access to basic calorie tracking and limited recipe suggestions. But if you want full access to fasting tools, custom plans, and in-depth nutritional data, you'll need to upgrade to Yazio Premium. Premium members also get detailed body analysis tools, additionally fasting modes, and exclusive recipes. While Yazio doesn't have as large of a community features as MyFitnessPal, it still boasts over 50 million users worldwide, which says a lot about its popularity. It also supports integration while Apple Health and Google Fit through syncing with third-party fitness trackers is more limited compared to MyFitnessPal. Where Yazio truly shines is its all-in-one approach to health planning. If you want more than just a calorie counter, such as structured guidance, meal ideas, and fasting support, Yazio provides a thoughtful, guided experience. It's great for users who want their app to act like a personal health coach, giving daily direction and meal inspiration. Choosing between MyFitnessPal and Yazoo depends largely on your personal health goals and lifestyle preferences. If you're someone who wants a highly flexible app that can sync with your fitness devices, offers a huge food database, and tracks every detail of your nutrition and exercise, MyFitnessPal is likely the better fit. It's the go-to app for users who want data depth, community support, and comprehensive tracking all in one place. On the other hand, if you're more focused on intermittent fasting, structured meal planning, and want an app that feels more like a daily guide, Yazio could be your ideal choice. Its created recipes, fasting tools, and clean interface make it easier to follow a plan without feeling overwhelmed. Both apps offer free versions that are functional enough to get you started, and both offer premium upgrades if you want to unlock advanced features. The good news is you can try both for free and see which resonates more with your habits and goals. In conclusion, you really can't go wrong with either app. Whether it's the depth and popularity of MyFitnessPal or structured simplicity of Yazio, each offers something unique. The best choice is the one that helps you stay consistent, feel motivated, and ultimately reach your health and fitness targets. And at the end of the day, the most important thing is finding a tool that fits your lifestyle and keeps you consistent. Whether you choose whether you choose MyFitnessPal for its extensive tracking features and community support or Yazio for its structured plans and fasting tools, both apps can help you take meaningful steps toward your health and wellness goals. Try them out, see what works for you, and remember, progress comes from consistency, not perfection. Thanks for watching, and here's to making smarter, healthier choices every day. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.